At Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to talk about one of our best-selling products, the Aqua Valley range. The range is available in 7 earthy decors ranging from Oxford Cottage to Rectory Grey. The Aqua Valley range comes with a huge AC5 rating and a 25-year residential warranty. For added peace of mind, the flooring is also water resistant for up to 6 hours. The Uniclick fitting system also makes fitting quick and easy. The long joint is engaged at an angle, bringing the short joint as close to the adjoining board as possible. Lower, and using a tapping block, simply tap the board up into place. The Aqua Valley range has something to offer every home. Guarantee peace of mind and 7 beautiful decors make this one of our most popular ranges. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.